Thank you. All right. So we are going to find the difference, right? Right? So we need to start with step 1. Who knows what the first thing we have to do is? Remember, strong hands. What's up, Riley? What do we do first? Read the number sentence. Okay. So let's do this first one. Where are the hands? Riley, read me the first number sentence, please.
30 minus 20
Equals blank. Okay. Hands. Who knows the next step? Jeremiah, what do we do now? What do we represent? Huh? With sticks and dots? Okay, but what are we representing? There's 2 numbers up here. The whole. What's the whole? What's the whole, Jeremiah? 30. Why? Is the whole bigger or smaller? The whole is the biggest number, right? And which number is bigger, 30 or 20?
30.
Okay. So represent the whole. Represent 30. Who's going to tell me what to do? How do I represent 30? Janara, how do I represent 30? Sticks and dots. So what am I doing? Writing 30 sticks?
No.
Ooh. Let's stay quiet. Let's see if she figured it out. 3 sticks, because how much does a stick equal? 1 stick is what? 1 stick. 10. 1 stick is 10. So how many sticks am I drawing?
3.
1,
No, 10.
2, 3. Right?
10, 20, 30.
Very good. 10, 20, 30. Okay. So now what do I do? Did I represent the whole? I didn't represent the whole? What's the whole?
30.
So did I represent 30?
Yes.
Okay. So now what's the next step? Hands, you know. Hands. Who can tell Jeremiah why we don't need any dots? Roosevelt, why don't we need any dots for this? Exactly. Good job. 30. There's no 1, so we don't need any dots, right? Just stick with this. Okay. Next step. Who is going to tell me how to find the difference? Jalen. What do we need to do to find the difference between that? She got it. Give her a chance. I can't hear you. Counting back by tens. Okay. So. Hey. It's too early. Let's just not mess with anybody. Let's learn. How about that? Okay? So, Jalen just said we are doing what? Counting. We're counting back by 10. So we're going to do a turn and talk with your partner. I want the person with the shortest hair to go first. Turn and talk and tell your partner, why are you counting back by 10s and how? Go. Shortest hair goes first. Come on. Okay, well you can join up with Charles and Hennis is right there. Shortest hair. What? Michael, your turn. You got the shortest hair. Go first. Why are we counting back by 10? Why are we counting back by 10? No, tell your partners. Okay, well then, it's yours. 10 more seconds and then we're switching. Why and how are we counting back by 10? Alright, 3, 2, 1, switch. Why are we counting back by 10? Genesis, it's your turn. Did you not go first? You got the shortest hair. Now it's your turn. You all went? Okay. Alright, 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit and shine, face forward. Okay. Come on, Nate. Tell me why. Why are we counting back by tens? You and your partner should have just discussed it. All right, who's going to help her out? Michael. Right, why? What's the counting back going to do? Okay, Charles, help him. Why? You're right, keep going. That was counting back. No, he was right. 30, 20, 10. If we're going by tens, what's the one before 10?
0.
0. And then you add 10, you put the 1 there, right? Okay. What's the other way that we can find this out? We've counted back. Now what's the next thing we have to do? Miracle. What's the next thing? Remember, we need strong hands up. Count what? Count on? What do you mean? All right. We're going to do this count back. 30 minus 20. How many tens do we need to count back? Riley.
2.
Why 2?
Because
If it is not your turn. Yes. Riley.
Riley, sit up there and say it
Come on.
right. We can't
You
hear
got
that
it
when
right.
you do
I
all
need
of
to hear
that.
you. Say it proud. You got it. If you're not Riley, I shouldn't hear your voice, right? Well, I heard your voice. Shh. Take your hands away from your mouth and say it. 20 is the same as 2 what? 2 what? Sticks. Exactly. So, tell me how to do it, Riley. Count me back.
What do the stick represent?
What does a stick represent?
a 10,
A cent. So 2 is the same as 20. 2 is the same as what?
20,
20 is the same as, I'm sorry, 20
Two
is the same as what?
2,
2 what?
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 6.
2
Not
what?
6. You just told me those 2 sticks represent what? Thank you. So 20 is the same as what? 2 what?
2 what? 2 dots?
Who can help her? 20 is the same as 2 what? Genesis.
Genesis.
I'm looking for someone who can speak loud and proud and help us so we can move. 20 is the same as 2 what? Roosevelt.
6.
I'm sorry, say it again.
6.
But a
What
stick
do the
represents, what does a stick represent, Roosevelt? A stick is how,
10.
so how many sticks? 2 sticks is 2 what?
10.
Thank you. So 20 is the same as what?
20 is the same as what?
20 is the same as 2 tens. What is 20 the same as?
2 10.
Riley, what is 20 the same as?
2
Roosevelt, what is 20 the same as?
10.
Class, what is 20 the same as?
2 10.
10.
Okay. So we're going to count back now. So what do we do? Hands? How do we count back? Kai, you want to try? All right, who can help him? Miracle, what are you doing? Counting back. So let's go. Now, why did I do that? Why did I cross out 2 sticks?
Because 20 is the same
Riley.
as 10. Because 20 is the same as 2.
Two what?
10.
2 tens. Exactly. Okay. So, 30 minus 20. We've crossed out 2 tens. What's the difference? I should see everyone's hands up. You all know this. What is the difference?
10.
Shh. Put that hand up if you want to answer. Michael, what is the difference? Why? Come on, because what, Miracle? We crossed out 2 what? Which is what? So 2 tens taken away. How many tens are left?
1
10. So 30 minus 20 equals
10.
Does everybody understand how we got that?
Yes.
Okay. So now, Okay. Let's do this one. What's the first thing I have to do? What's the first thing I have to do? Genesis. Read the what? The number sentence. Okay, read it to me. Genesis, read it to me. All right. Now, what's the next step? Paris, what's the next step? Look at the anchor chart if you need help. What is the next step? We've read our number sentence. I know, baby, we need to let other people try too, okay? Just wait 1 second. Represent what? What are we representing? Any number that we want to pick? I know you know, Miracle, but you gotta let other people try too. 40? Why? What's 40? The biggest number. What else do we call that? Everybody say it. What do we call it?
Whole.
That is the whole. Because why?
Because
It is the biggest number. Okay. What's the next thing we're doing? Come on, what's the next step? Representing. Do we need dots?
No.
Why not?
Because I don't have
Do you see any ones in this?
No.
So what are we using?
6.
Which equals?
6.
So 1 stick is 1 10. All right, who's going to tell me how to do it? Kai, how do I represent that?
Kai, speak louder.
Come on, buddy, how do I represent that?
40 with the 6. Jeremiah.
I shouldn't hear anybody else's voice. It's hard to hear Kai when we're talking. Hands down, we're going to give Kai a chance real quick. What am I doing? How am I representing 40? We discussed, we're sticks and dots, but what are we doing to represent 40? What do I need to do?
Put your hand down, Riley. Kai's down. Put it down, Miracle.
What do we need to do to represent 40? How do we do that? Who's going to help him out? How many? 46. Is 46 equal 40? No. How many? What does 1 stick equal? 110. So 40. How many sticks do we need to draw to represent that?
How many tens, guys?
How many tens? Huh? 4. So what are we doing? 4 what? 4 dots?
No.
4 sticks, because that's 4 what?
10.
All right. 1, 2.
20.
There you go. 10, 20, 30, 40. Am I done?
No.
Oh, I'm not done. What do I need to do now? Dots?
No.
Did I represent the whole?
No.
I didn't?
You did.
Right here. Okay. Now what do we do? Last time we counted back. What's the other strategy? It's on the board. What's the other strategy? Charles. Count all. How do we do it? Tell me. Oh, you're going to show me? Okay. How are we doing it? Is that right? Right. Okay. You did. Go have a seat. Good job. So now what do we need to do? Jeremiah, what? We did the representing already. So now we have to find the difference, counting all by tens. Jalen, what do we do now? Right, we're finding the difference, but we're counting all by tens. Brianna. Can't hear you. You gotta say it loud and proud. Finding the difference, right. So, how do we find it?
What is your answer? Can you write it at the top? Say ding ding ding, she knows it.
Ding, 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 she knows.
Oh, say ding ding ding, she knows it.
Ding, 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 she knows it.
Very good. Kiss those brains 2 times. Say we are so smart.
We are so smart.
All right, let's try this one. What's our first step? Roosevelt, what do I need to do?
Read the numbers.
Can you read it for me, please?
30 minus 20 equals blank. Me.
All right, 30. How should we be sitting on the carpet? Let me see it, everybody. Let me see it. Okay, so the number sentence is, let's all say it together. 30 minus
21
equals blank. All right, now what are we doing? Jamad, what are we doing? We just said what this number sentence is. Now what do we need to do? Represent. But what are we, hands down, what are we representing? I'm sorry? What, the whole. What is the whole? 30. Why? That's the biggest number. They say, good job, Jamad.
Good job, Jamal.
Good job. Okay, so how am I going to represent 30? How many, what is 30? How many tens? 3. So, how are we representing that? 3 tens, how do we represent 3 tens? Come on. Yes. All right, come on up and do it. Did she finish?
No.
Bless you. Good job. Thank you. All right, Byron. Now what? It's Byron, so let's just let him try first, okay? Let's give him a shot. What are we crossing out? 2 what? Which equals 2 what? 2 sticks equals what? 2 what? 2 tens. Say it louder, buddy. We can't hear you. I know what you're saying, but they can't hear you. 2 sticks equals what? How many? Okay. Do a turn and talk with your partner. We're going to find out, what is 2 sticks equal? This is a quick one. This is like a 10-second one. So you just turn and you tell. What is 2 sticks equal? Go. 2 what?
2 sticks.
2 what?
2 sticks.
2 what? All right, 3. Tracking back to 2. 1. Facing the front. Okay, what does 2 sticks represent? What does it equal?
Everybody.
Come on, let me hear it. 2 tens equals 20. Okay, so who's gonna come count back for me? Or count tens, whatever one you want to use. Yeah, which one? Charles, come on up. All right, show us what to do. We're counting back, right? So we're counting back what? Why are we counting back by 30? How many are we getting rid of? 20. So how do we count back? What are you going to do? Good job, Charles. So did everybody hear him?
No.
Charles crossed out the 30 and he said 10, and then he crossed out the 20 and said 20. So now he's counting back by 20. So what's the difference? What's the difference? I'm waiting till every hand is up because you all know this answer. What? Miracle. Come on, babe. What is the difference?
Marathon. Thank you.
Michael, what's the difference? Come on up and write it. What's the difference? Miracle. Good job, everybody. Good job.
Good job, Michael!
So, who's going to read me our new number sentence? Kai, what does that say? No, buddy. This one. Tell me this whole equation now that it's done. 30. Can you do it really loud so everybody can hear?
30 minus 20 equals 10.
Very good job, every little one. Okay.
Oh.
All right, fellas.